In India, the Supreme Court has temporarily halted the implementation of controversial new agricultural laws that have led to widespread protest from farmers. The Chief Justice says that the court will form a committee to hear their grievances against the laws. Tens of thousands of farmers have been camped out on the outskirts of Delhi for more than a month. They say the laws benefit large private buyers at the expense of producers. Nearly 60% of India's population depends on agriculture for their livelihoods. Correspondent Manira Chowdhury is standing by with the view from Delhi. So, Manira, what more can you tell us about the court's decision?
Well, before this decision came in, there were 8 rounds of conversations and negotiations between the government and the farmer groups, which ended up in deadlock. There was no outcome that was reached. Now the Supreme Court, the top court of the country, has decided to put a temporary hold on the implementation of these laws in an attempt to find a solution. The Supreme Court had also previously expressed disappointment with the government by the way the government handled this crisis. Now, the court has formed a 4-member committee of agricultural experts in an attempt to find a solution to this deadlock.
What was so controversial about the laws?
Well, these 3 laws that the government was trying to bring in, according to the government, were really good for the farmers. According to the government, these laws would have allowed the farmers to produce to market their produce more freely, would have given them more opportunities to earn more and profit more. And they also said that these laws would actually lead to better infrastructure in agriculture because of the increased private investment. But that's exactly what the farmers are worried about: the increase in private investment, the increase in private players, and also their biggest concern has been about the minimum support price, which we call the MSP system here, which is essentially a minimum assured income that the farmers get from the government agencies when they directly buy their produce from the farmers. And these laws, according to the farmers, would create a situation in which the government agencies would buy less and less, hence making the minimum support price system irrelevant.
Okay, so given all of that, what are now the next steps in this process, and what is the reaction likely to be?
Well, the early reactions which have come from the farmers are, yes, that they are seeing it as a positive development, but they're not giving up, as they say. They are pretty determined that they will not leave the site of protest unless they see the 3 farm laws permanently repealed.
Manira Chowdhury joining us from Delhi. Thank you.